Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're looking at the Stuhrling Original Men's Dive Watch, the best Stuhrling watch you can get for a mix of style, performance, and durability. This is a timepiece that combines precision, craftsmanship, and rugged functionality, making it a top choice for those who need a watch that can keep up with both adventure and elegance. The Stuhrling Original Dive Watch features a 42mm silver case that gives it a classic, yet bold look. With a screw-down crown and a coin-edge bezel, this watch screams quality and durability. Whether you're diving into the ocean or just enjoying a casual day out, this watch is built to handle it all. It's water-resistant up to 330 feet, or 100 meters, which makes it perfect for swimming and snorkeling. This is the type of timepiece that keeps ticking even when you're surrounded by water, ensuring it stays reliable no matter the conditions. What really stands out about this watch is its design. The sleek silver hands and indices are easy to read, while the rubber strap ensures comfort without sacrificing durability. The strap is paired with a tang buckle for a secure fit, making it ideal for any outdoor activity. And, the Japanese Miyota movement inside provides the precision you expect from a high-quality watch. Whether you're timing a dive or just keeping track of your day, you can count on this watch to deliver accurate time. Stuhrling has ensured that this timepiece doesn't just look good, it's built to last. The luminescent hands and markers allow for easy reading in low-light conditions, adding to its functionality. The design is finished with a high-grade rubber strap that's as sturdy as it is stylish. It's not just a watch, it's a piece of engineering that speaks to those who appreciate quality in every aspect of their lives. And for those concerned about warranty, you're in safe hands. Every Stuhrling watch, including this one, comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty. This provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected, no matter what happens. To sum it up, the Stuhrling Original Men's Dive Watch is not just the best Stuhrling watch for men but one of the best dive watches available. It combines style, functionality, and water resistance in a way that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a watch that's both sporty and sophisticated, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching this review here at Product Critique, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights into the best products out there.